My name is Tim Smithy. I'm the Managing Director of Crediton Dairy. We started off as a long-life milk manufacturer and in recent years moved much more into dairy drinks. We supply all of the big four: Tesco, Sainsbury's, Asda, Morrisons. I grew up on a farm, so farming would be very close to my thinking. And dairy farmers are crucially important to our business. I mean, they're the first step in the whole supply chain. Ensuring that they produce good quality milk is critical, and you need to protect the environment to achieve that. So ensuring that the packaging we use is sustainable and recyclable is very important to us, which has been one of the big drivers behind why we've always used cartons.
My name's Abigail Kelly. I work at Crediton Dairy and I head up the category and insights team. About 3 years ago, we really wanted to get into the ready-to-drink impulse market with single-serve offerings. So we looked at different packaging types that were available. So we considered plastic bottles, we considered plastic cups for iced coffees, for example, and we also considered the Tetra Pak Prisma carton.
We didn't want to start producing bottles. We've always been a carton business. We believe in cartons because of the sustainability of the raw materials.
Well, when you look at packaging and the environmental impact, you've really got to look at the entire product life cycle right from the start in terms of the CO2 impact, in terms of production, looking at the transport, and then of course in terms of the materials, how do they recycle at end of life? So what can the consumer do to do the right thing by the environment? And when we look at all of those measures, cartons always come out top in terms of the lowest impact that it has on the environment.
We were looking for a carton that had the attributes of a bottle, of a plastic bottle, that had the positives but not the negatives. So Tetra Pak developed a Prisma packaging format that really ticked all the boxes for us in terms of our requirements for a carton.
Cartons are largely made out of paper board, which comes from FSC certified forests. That means they're sustainably managed. So most of the packaging actually started its life as a tree. Consumers are very interested in the environment, and rightly so. Being a responsible company, then, we need to innovate within packaging as well as the products that we do to make sure that we're giving consumers what they want and making it easy for them to make the right choices. And now, because we've seen everything in the news about climate change, about the impact of plastics, more and more consumers are actually saying, no, we want cartons over plastics.
We're all just passing through. Utilising sustainable materials is crucial going forward and protect the environment for the next generation.
All of us have a responsibility to this planet that we live on. That means that we need to make it as easy as possible for consumers to do their best and to do their bit.